Kentucky, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't been here since 2005. Girls would call me Cat Daddy at that time. Things were a lot different. I was a lot younger. It's good to go down memory lane. See what, quite frankly, what you've been missing for a while. I used to live in Louisville. I used to call it Louisville in those days. And it was fun, fun time. I haven't been back since until now. So, there's a lot of footage I could have given you, but I'm just too tired, man, honestly. But this is some good stuff, So, you get a chance to see how things have changed, evolved in the span of 20 years. Had a couple of girlfriends at this time out here. In fact, I think they lived close to this area, the expressway, yeah. I'm not sure if they're still here, but I always told them, I said, I'll be back, Oh well. It took 20 years, but I wasn't bullshitting. Well, I forgot to mention, the city is the 28th or 25th largest city in the country. It used to have 100,000 residents at one time. It's probably grown since then, or it's decreased, I'm not sure. It's also the home of the Kentucky Derby. I don't know if you know that. I don't know, I think I was invited to it. I think I went to see it one time. I just, unanimous fact, see, Kentucky Kingdom, so, yeah. We're here. I can tell you, if you ever wanted a girlfriend, it's a hell of a place to get one. In fact, I hate to say this, one girl, I think she told me something. I'm gonna tell you something about that, but I'm yawning here, guys, so I'm just sorry about that. Something to that effect. Muhammad Ali is from here. Particularly with Caucasian girls, you get those. They're, very, very good. In fact, some of this stuff looks familiar. There used to be a White Castle around here, which was interesting because, quite frankly, I hate to say this, I got a job there during that time. I think this is the stadium. Yeah, Louisville. I had gotten the job there and big sign company. It was very affordable in those days. from here, and they also got some great fighters too, by the way. Just to let you know, when I was making my climb, yeah, you don't want to fight in Louisville. I can tell you that. So hey man, this is we're gonna close this out real quick. Thanks again, and here's the clock tower. I remember that. There it is. There's the clock tower, and you know, still I remember when I was here. You know. Oh yeah, those are the projects too. I went to the projects. There's a guy from Detroit brought me up there. These were the projects I went to during that time. And there was a school called Decker College at the time. I'm not sure if they're still around, but it's been 20 years. I mean, you have to understand that. Some serious projects right there. Serious right there, boy. No bullshit. And, wow. Well, I didn't see any dead bugs 20 years ago, but, you know. A place that has that, I think, is California, just to let you know. As beautiful as it is, I mean, it's bed bugs galore. And no bullshit. We're gonna close it out. I think there's some other stuff I wanted to show you, but that's about it, guys. So Medicare. Oh shit. That's it. Thank you.